Hey everyone, I have with me my Techno Pool 4 Pro, and the problem with the phone is that I've been using it for the past 2 years, 2.5 years, and it's been 4 days. It's been turning on and off repeatedly. So when you turn it on, you can see the logo, it loads up, but then it's gonna load all the way to starting, and it's not gonna start, and it's gonna restart itself. So that's been the major problem since 2 years of use. It's a great handset. I've been using it in rainy conditions. I've been using it in cold weather, but this is the first time I'm facing this problem. I checked online. Some people said to clean it up. I cleaned it up as well. It didn't help. So yesterday I went into a repair shop and they told me they have to change the battery. So today I'm gonna go and change the battery. If that helps and if that makes it good, then I'm gonna share that with you as well. But currently it's just keeps on restarting. And as you can see, it's gonna go on a restart again. So I'm also trying the Mobile software and MTK USB drivers for Techno. Maybe I could flash it from my laptop and that would solve it. But until then, let's just hope that it gets better. So in previous video, my phone was constantly restarting and I didn't know why. I searched online, I would turn on the flash and the phone was just going to reboot on its own. Now that doesn't happen. The problem with that was that I sent it to a repair center, and what they did was they replaced the battery. So this is the original battery that my phone had. It's not, swollen from anywhere. I think this must be a part where it's a bit damaged. I don't know, but they replaced this with a newer battery and now the phone works just fine. So if you have the same problem, just replace the battery and it'll be good. Thank you.